Want to bring those old childhood photos back to life? Today I'm going to show you how to take a blurry or faded picture and turn it into a sharp, vibrant portrait with Remini, and it's completely free. First, open your browser and head over to remini.ai. If you're using a mobile device, you can just download the Remini app from the App Store or Google Play. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up to create one. Don't worry, the basic features are totally free to use. Now, grab an old photo. I'm going with one from my childhood. Click on the Upload button and select the photo you want to enhance. Once the photo is uploaded, you'll see several options. This is where the magic happens. The AI will automatically start sharpening your photo, clearing up any blurriness and restoring the details. You'll see the AI working its magic in real time, transforming your old photo into something way clearer and more vibrant. It only takes a few seconds. After it's done, Remini will show you a side-by-side comparison. You'll see the original photo on the left and the enhanced version on the right. Check out how much sharper and more detailed the enhanced photo is. Isn't that incredible? The difference is night and day. The photo has gone from blurry and faded to clear and crisp. Now you can see all the tiny details that were lost before. Once you're happy with the results, just click Download to save the enhanced photo to your device. You can also share it on social media or even print it out and frame it. You can do this with as many photos as you like. Just keep uploading and enhancing and watch your old memories come back to life. So, there you have it. If you've got some old family photos or childhood memories that need a little love, Remini is the easiest way to restore them and bring them into the digital age. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more ways to use AI to enhance your content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AIChief. I can't wait to see your restored photos. Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy photo enhancing!